Hello guys, welcome to SpringBoot tutorial. So far we done only theoretical part. Today onwards we do practical step by step, and without wasting our time, and open the browser and type Spring Initializer. Now we select the Java here, language Java, and Maven tool, and here 3.4 latest version, and jar file and 17, and add the dependency. Here web, used for build web application including RESTful APIs, and here MVC and Tomcat Apache, and done. Next, JPA. JPA used for JPA. It used to Spring Data and Hibernate. It automatically create the tables. And next, Lombok. Here Lombok to reduce the boilerplate code. Next, to store the database, and which database I'm using only MySQL database. Here MySQL, and one more is dev tool. Here dev tool, it used to restart and live reload. And one more, security, small security here. Now that's enough. Now explore it. Control plus space. Here dependency JPA. Here security, and starter web, dev tool, MySQL, and Lombok. Yes, all are there. Now close it. Now generate. Yeah, student zip completed. Open it and extract in same download folder only. Yeah, download, extract it. Yeah, completed. Open VS and open folder, download, and student. Yeah, in that, this is the application, Java Spring Boot application, student, and the source, main, and Java. I think you know about layer architecture. Front-end are postman requesting the control layer call the service layer call the repository, and the repository interact with database with help of JPA. So we have to create the layers. Here student, we create the packages. One is control layer, next service layer, one more repository. It handles the input output, and service layer for logical part, and repository interact with the database. And one more layer also, which type we have to. One more is entity. It representing database table. In this video, just we do entity only, and entity layer we can create the class. So we annotation entity to say this Spring Boot. This class is the entity class. Here quick import. Completed. Long ID and student name, full name. The data type is string format. And college name, I think no need. College name and branch, so string only. And one more. I think it's enough. Now we keep it annotation with ID. ID. And one more annotation is generated value. Generated value. Strategy equal to, it will use for automatically generate our ID. So it uses for it automatically generate unique value. And here full name and branch. In this video it's enough. Small recap. So open the browser and type Spring Initializer and select the language and Maven and latest version. And here group is your company name and project here, student, and jar file and a Java version. I choose the 17. And here Spring Web build web application including RESTful APIs and Spring MEC, Apache Tomcat and JPA to interact with the database. And here Lamborg, it reduces the boilerplate MySQL database. And dev tool, it restarts automatically when we change the code. And security. And next, here I created control layer, entity layer. In entity package, I create a student class and mark on it is the entity. We are telling to Spring Boot, this is the entity. In student class, we create one properties, ID, full name and branch. We have to create setter getter methods for this properties. The Lamborg will create to us using annotation is data. So there is no need setter getter methods now. They internally will provide. For now, that's it from my side. Thank you for watching and seeing the next video. Bye bye.